Tommy here from Green Rhino. Starting off my day, mixing up my solution. I already mixed it up and put it into my my multi-wash and plus a pump up hand sprayer like this. We're doing just one job today, but it's quite a large job. We're actually doing a lot in it. We're doing carpet, we're doing rugs, we're doing a couch, and then we're doing their tile. And so yeah, should be a pretty interesting day. I haven't even showed up to the job, so I did tile estimate before over the phone. I'm gonna double check it when I get there. Got a new way I'm doing it, seeing how it works. And so for all that, I'm using one thing as far as my solution. This one right here, carpet details. So this is safe on everything. Everything I just said, boom. So I pre-mixed everything. Okay. Yeah, you know, there's a lot of chemistry out there, some good stuff out there, you know. But what I've been using the last couple of years is this right here, and it's my old reliable right here. This is why I know it's going to be safe on everything. So especially when you're doing upholstery and stuff like that, you need something that's effective, right, but yet safe. So definitely. So we'll see you at the job. Oh, hold on. Now below all my videos, like I probably said, well, I'll say after this again, but below all my videos is tools I love and use, right? So you click on that, it brings you to a website, and all the tools I use are there. You know, some are kind of I do Amazon affiliate, so I might give 50 cents or something. But others aren't. You know, it's just I'm sharing the tools I love and use, right? So, or the tools I use, or some of the tools I love and I don't even have yet. But if I was to start all over, I would purchase, right? So, so if you know me, I've been using carpet detail forever. So if you want to get a $10 discount, there's a promo in that link that you can get a $10 discount on your carpet detail orders. Check that out. Now we'll see you at the job. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. All right, setting up for the job. Went through and did a final estimate, and it was pretty accurate all over the phone. It was actually right on. So this is great. Using this for pre-agitation today. So we're doing all this carpet, all that tile, and this tile on here too. It's gonna come out looking great, I already know. Nice and white. And, we were gonna do those, but we decided not to. They decided not to. And we got right here where I think it's probably coffee stands. So I'm gonna treat them as an organic. Do a pre-treatment right now before I actually lay down my pre-spray. thing is a little harder to maneuver than the power light, but not so hard to where it's a problem. Because it scrubs deeper. So. So we did move that side table there back and forth. So before we put them back, we went ahead and make sure we had little plastic tabs. You can get these from Wander's products, Wander's website. And so as you can tell, after doing the carpets, the stuff that the vacuum won't pick up this wheel. So it's really easy to clean. Just take a little hose, not too high pressure, and just rinse it down. See, actually easier to clean than the multi-wash. So that's a plus. All right, time for the tile. Alright guys, a quick break here. So there is a slight downside to using this for pre-agitation on tile and grout. Not so much on carpet. That opening back there, you get a lot of splashing. So you get a lot of splashing out of here. So it got all over my feet, you know. I wasn't so intense to where it was like totally soaked, but I noticed it was splashing out a lot more than my multi-wash does, because we don't have the tray in there. The tray in there for cleaning is what the tray is for. That would prevent all that, right? Everything's going into here. I usually leave the tray out because I don't want to pull up the solution, so I want the solution to stay down and work as long as possible. But what I'm going to do on the next tile job is I'm going to leave that in and see what kind of difference that's going to make as far as the results when I go back over that with the spinner. So yeah, that might, if I was just to have another one of these and maybe take that off, right? And that way it would still recycle downward. That would be an option, but I don't have another one of those. Maybe I'll look into it. All right, let's get back to cleaning. Alright, so all finished up, and as far as cleaning, came out amazing. Now I'm gonna seal it. This is what I'm using. Sager Super Sealer. So with this sealer, you don't have to go just along the lines. You can go over the whole tile and let it dry, and if it and that's it. So real easy. Love it. Ever since I found this, throwing away my little rollers. That was horrible. That was torture. And I know there's a lot of guys out there still doing that. If you're watching this video, Sager Super Sealer. That's what you need.